Visual cycle. This equilibrium between the photodecomposition and regeneration of visual pigments. Visual cycle. Light-induced changes in the cones. Similar to those of rhodopsin. But nearly total rods bleaching occurs before the significant bleaching of cones. Physiology of vision. Mechanisms. 1. Initiation of vision, transduction. 2. Transmission of visual sensation. 3. Visual perception. Light falling on retina absorbed by photosensitive pigments of rods and cones. Initial photochemical changes occur. Initiate electrical change. Transmit the message through ganglion cell along the fibers of optic nerve, optic tract, visual cortex. Phototransduction. The process of translation of the information content of a light stimulus into electrical signals. Occurs in the photoreceptors. Rod's phototransduction. Rhodopsin absorbs light. 11. Cis bond of retinal is broken. Opsin molecule undergo conformational changes. Activated state, meta-rhodopsin 2. Starts a reaction that controls the inflow of cations into rod's outer segments. Cone phototransduction. Resembles that of rods. Cone phototransduction is comparatively insensitive but faster and capable of adapting enormously to the ambient level of illumination. Acuity increases with increased illumination. Rods and cones differ in their degrees of convergence onto gangliocells. Convergence makes rod system a better light detector, but reduces its spatial resolution. Near one-to-one mapping within cone system maximizes discrimination of fine detail, visual acuity. Foveat cones high density. Cone-specific gene defect. Cone CGMP gated channel. Achromatopsia. Cone monochromatism. Rod monochromatism. 3. L or M cone opsins, red/green color deficiency. Anomalous trichromatic color vision. Protanomalous defective red color appreciation. Deuteranomalous, defective green color. Tritanomalous, defective blue color. Red-green defect. Blue defect. Dichromatism. Dichromatic color vision. Protanopia, absence of red-sensitive cone pigment. Deuteranopia, absence of green-sensitive cone pigment. Tritanopia, absence of blue-sensitive cone pigment. Processing and transmission of visual impulse in retina. Receptor potential generated in photoreceptors. Transmitted by electronic conduction to cells of retina, i.e., horizontal cell, bipolar cell, amacrine cell, and ganglion cells. From axons of ganglion cell to optic nerve. Ganglion cells transmit visual signal by means of action potential. Consists of inner nuclear layer. Bipolar cells. 2. Horizontal cells. 3. Amacrine cells. 4. Muller cells. Rod and receptors. Bipolar cells. First-order neuron of visual pathway. Dendrite synapse with rod spherules and cone pedicles in OPL. Axon synapse with dendrites of ganglion cells and amacrine cells in IPL. Separate bipolars for rods and cones. At least 2 types of cone. Ganglion cell, bipolar cell. Bipolars. 1. On bipolars. 2. OFF bipolars.